So, they say if it's too good to be true, it probably is. But I'm starting to question that.
What the dog doing?
Cause I got these from $73 from China. But first we gotta show you how they are and that they're real. Yeah, these are like really good. Like either like they're the real thing or just like really good fakes. And see, like these pop off. Now I don't actually have a real pair, so it was quite hard for me to tell if they are real or not. But everything looks real. And if you couldn't tell, oops, spilled everything. But if you couldn't tell, the thumbnail is from Linus, so we're also gonna copy his video because I'm bad at making videos. But anyway, he said that you could tell by the box if it was real or not. And like, I think on their box they said AirPods or something. It said just Max, but it says AirPods Max. And I think it says designed by Apple, like APOLE. Maybe this one you can see, like, either they're not afraid to get sued, or this is actually real. So yeah, like, yeah, this all works. Oh yeah, he also said like, you could feel in the box, like, if it's printed, you won't feel like bumps and stuff, is what he said. But I can run my fingers over this, and you can definitely feel the bumps on this, even on the text. I think you can like, you see that? Yeah, they like is really reflective. I even checked the serial number. I don't know if you can really tell by the serial number, but I'll put like a screenshot up right now. But it said that it was 100% real, that the warranty lasts, I think, a couple more months. So I guess if they do somehow break or something, I don't know, I heard the warranty's like a scam or something. But if they do break, then I guess we could get them replaced. I would say a couple cons is, well, I guess we should start with the pros first. I think you said you lead with the good, right? Lead with good, then bad. NKBHD style. Okay, so for a couple pros, they're like really good quality, like, this is $73. I'm a broke teenager. Please help me. Look, you see that's not coming off. And like, this, like I'm poking through that and pushing pretty hard. It won't budge. Yeah, let's see, so that's a pro. Good build quality. Let's see, second pro. The battery life. The battery life is as expected. Like, I could use it for about, I could use it for 20 hours. Noise canceling is something which is a con. I'll tell you more about that later. But that's, battery life is really good. It is like really fast to charge too. Like, I don't know, like, I plug it in, 30 minutes later I check back, I see my iPhone, it says it's 100%, which is just weird. The subwoofer on it, really good. Like, I like Malcolm Todd a lot, so if you listen to him, his original goes bump bump, bump bump. Like on my AirPods Surgeons, they're pretty good. But for this one, like you can, like it shakes your head. Like that's what they have, like those speakers right here. They like shake your head a bunch, which is like puts you more in the immersion. It really has good iPhone integration. So if they're fake, they somehow managed to crack the Apple software of my 12 mini. They somehow cracked it, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, so like I can see it on my Find My. I don't know if that's precise tracking. I'm not that much of a person. But yeah, I can see it, like the location of it, where it is. That's pretty cool. I think I can make it chime too. I'll put a screenshot of that too. Hopefully not leaking my IP or doxing myself, but yeah, like really good build quality, $73. Like even if they were fake, like this is probably better than anything else that you can get. And it still works with like Bluetooth, so like I could connect it to my Windows PC and it works fine. Like, oh yeah, like these buttons work. Like this actually control, like it should work. Like it just, I hope it's not fake, but like this all works. Like the volume control button, that works. You can press it up and down and stuff works. Siri doesn't work, but I think that's just because of my phone. Like even if I say hey Siri to my phone, it doesn't work. Probably because it's ancient, 12 mini. I don't know. It's weird. Hopefully I'll upgrade soon. New video. You'll see what I mean. But we have the noise control button, which I guess I'll lead us straight to the cons. So the cons is that active noise cancellation does not work. I mean, sure you get some noise cancellation because like having it on your ears, it like really cuts you off. Oop, sorry Olivia, sorry Olivia Rodrigo, can't listen. But having it on your ears, like it does cut you off, but you can still hear like the muffled noises. The active noise cancellation does not work. I checked with the software, I text messaged them, and I heard that this is actually like a common problem on some of these. Because this is a first gen, I saw I ordered a second gen on the AC buy. I guess they sent me a first gen with the lightning, not USB-C. But yeah, they sent me one of those. It says that it's made in 2018, that's at least what the warranty says. I mean, the battery probably could have been better if I got it in 2018. I don't know, I'm confused how the warranty has been alive for 7 years, but so the noise control, back to the noise control. I text messaged them. It's actually a common problem with AirPods Max, is that like sometimes like it just won't work for some reason. So you'd have to go to them, they have to force update it to where like they connect it. I don't know why you can't just do it online. You used to be able to do it online. Like you can, I don't know if you've heard of it, like there's an application called Apple Devices. But that's not a quotation, it's an actual thing where you can just connect your phone and update, like iCloud. Why can't you do this? Too advanced. My iPhone, maybe it's just my iPhone 12 mini just can't update it. It's like on the latest firmware and everything, but like I tried, like it says, put it in 5 centimeters. What's a centimeter? I don't know. I put it on top. I leave it overnight, like 3 times. Or was it 4? Get it. But I leave it overnight. Doesn't work. I need more angles. I heard that you leave. Anyway, yeah. So noise control, I have to go to the place to get it updated. I'll probably make it a short or part of the 1 month review of the fake but hopefully real AirPods Max. And yeah. So like I'll go to it, probably record it. Maybe if you guys donate to me, I'll put the Meta glasses on and spy or whatever. I guess connectivity, but I think that's because like it's not up to the latest update. Like sometimes, maybe that's just my Spotify because it's from Sideloadly. If you know, you know. Because it's like modifications, don't tell them. Like sometimes like I'd have it connected and it just randomly disconnects. Or sometimes the dial, like I put it on my ear and it texts him, which is my ear, which is cool. But then like I press the dial to play the music or the video, it doesn't work. I try to press the button, but then like it just doesn't turn my music on or whatever. Kind of weird. I think some of the, oh yeah, if you watch my unboxing video, should be in the VODs channel. You can see more. Yeah, so that'll be unedited on the VODs channel. Probably be at the top somewhere. I think, yeah, right here. But wait, before you go, I am making a GoFundMe because I did find 16 Pro Max and Apple Watch Ultra on this website. and I will gatekeep. And if you please donate to the GoFundMe, I think it's 500. I mean, that's not too much, because like the iPhone's like 200, the watch is 100, and then 200 for shipping. Yeah. But if you could donate that, it'd be really swell. Yeah. This isn't clickbait. It's actually $73. I'll show you the bank statements.